What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. Shano here from Exploration. Yeah, today on the hottest day of the year, I'm gonna make for you something quite nice, something simple. Okay, it's gonna be egg fried rice. The ingredients I'm gonna use is 3 large eggs. This is actually a piece of chicken breast. I'm gonna add it to my fried rice, make it like a special fried rice. And here is some green peas. I have some basmati rice. Some people can use rice that for your preference. Some people like jasmine rice, you know, Thai rice, but I'm just gonna use some basmati rice. And here I have some oyster sauce and some Chinese soya sauce, just to give extra flavor to my fried rice. Before I start, I'm going to say fried rice is best made with rice that's already cooked and put in the fridge, you know, like leftover rice. The idea was, as you will hear many people on YouTube explain, was to see how you can use up spared rice from the day before, the day after you finish cook any leftover rice. So best to chill the fried rice, to be honest, but this is what I'm feeling for today. This little piece of chicken breast is gonna add some extra flavor to it, and let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wash the rice, and I'm gonna set up the chicken. Alright, join me, and remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's get the rice washing. Yes people, so I'm gonna put some basmati rice in the pot. Remember, don't ask me how much, do it according to how much you need. So I'm just going to, and remember the rice will get larger, will expand as you cook. So I'm going to put, wow, I'm going to put about 2 cups of basmati rice here in a pot. You know, I like cooking so that I have enough for another day. So if you're like me, then just put enough. To be honest, when it comes to rice, it's best to leave the rice soaking overnight, so that it properly get rid of all those starch and all those harmful chemicals or whatever cyanide products. Alright, so just gonna wash the rice. And if you see my previous video cooking rice and peas, you know that I like my rice to be nice, clear, just getting rid of some of that excess starch from the rice. Not everybody believes in doing this, but I like doing this. Yeah, let's get out that starch. Can you see how white it is? And then I'm going to give it a second and maybe a third little rinse, and it should be nice and clear. So let's do this. People, here you have the rice soaking in some cool water. I'm gonna add some of my wife's Celtic salt to it. She said to me, husband, cook with this salt because it's healthier. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Celtic salt like that to the rice, not too much, this little sprig of Celtic salt in there. Let's see if it makes a difference. Never cooked with it before, people, but there's always time to try something new. Okay, so that's not too much salt, just a little sprig of Celtic salt, and that's what the Celtic salt looks like. Okay people, that rice has been soaking for 15 minutes or so now, or probably more. And I'm just going to put on the fire, get it bubbling up, get it cooking. It says on the packet 10 minutes to cook, so let's see 20 past, so maybe by half past or so it's ready to go. So the fire is on, rice is gonna cook soon. Okay people, so that rice is nice and cooked now, well steamed. Problem is it's too hot, so I'm going to take out some of this rice, put it in a container, put it in the fridge to cool down. And then I'm going to work the magic. Yep, so this is what we have going on now people. My pot is steaming. I'm going to fry the eggs separately. So here's the egg. I'm just going to beat those up and fry them quickly. Can you see that people? There's some eggs going in. Three. Yeah, so that's 3 eggs in there people, just like that. واحد اثنين ثلاثة خلاص. So 3 eggs, just like that. One of the stress for my Spanish speaking viewers. Yeah, the milk, we use plant-based milk, but whichever milk you use you can. Tiny bit of black pepper going in people. Just like that, the egg is ready. So at this point, some people add the rice straight in, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, so just like that, the egg is ready to go into my stir fried rice. I don't want it too dry. I'm gonna leave it like that. Excellent. If you blink, you miss it, people. 2 minutes or less, that's ready. I'm gonna put it here for a minute. Like so. Now for the prawns, people. The prawns have already been cooked. Though the prawns been cooked, I still like to add my own little touch to it. A little bit, literally. That's enough. And as with everything I put in the pot, I like to add some turmeric, haldi powder, and pepper. Add into this little prawn here. So cayenne pepper drizzling in, and some ground cumin also drizzling into this little prawn. Yeah, some ground cumin. Sprig of salt. Tiny bit of pepper. And just like that, people, it's all done. So I'm just going to stir that all together. Yeah, that's a nice little marriage. Nice combination there. Stir that together. And some greens, which is parsley. Obviously you can add cilantro, which is fresh coriander, but I'm just gonna put some greens and ginger, brown parsley, and just like that. Add our egg that we fried earlier. So I'm just gonna add the eggs. Lots of protein going on there in that rice. Extra piece of egg I had, I'm going to cut. Then I'm going to add the green gourd peas finally. Whoa, lots of protein in this rice, people. Whole cumin, sprinkle of whole cumin going in. I'm going to add some sesame oil, which I have to hide. Just give a little bit more flavor. I'm also going to add the soy sauce. This is light soy sauce going in. Also adding some oyster sauce. Finally, some dark soy sauce. The dark soy sauce will give it more color. Okay, people, let's mix it up. Wait. What do you think? Oh, let's give it a test. I love it. The peas give it that nice sweetness. Tiniest bit of sugar. Tiniest bit. Brown sugar. Tiniest bit. Literally a sprinkle. Like that. I love it with cashew nuts, but I rather to put the cashew nut when I'm eating so that they don't go soft and I can still have that crunchiness. But if you don't like that and you like it with the cashew nut inside, then here I have some roasted salted cashew nuts. I'm going to put 2 in there. They will go soft, but just to show you. See, there you go. Yeah. Combine everything well. Just like that, you have it, people. Homemade in my kitchen. Yep, let me turn the fire off. Here you have special fried rice, my style, using prawns, Gouda peas, and eggs. People, I really wish you were here to try some of this. It is so nice. Hope my family will enjoy it. I'm gonna serve it with some vegetables, which I'm gonna make now. Join me. Nice. I like it like this. I don't know if my family will. I hope they will. I wish you were here to share some. Okay, let's get on to the salad. We'll see you in a minute.
Governamente strapping this